The next wave of flagship smartphones is arriving sooner than expected, and it's bringing a revolutionary change with it. Thanks to MediaTek and Qualcomm accelerating their chipset launch timelines, brands like Xiaomi are gearing up for their next generation releases earlier than usual. But what's really turning heads is the Xiaomi 16 Pro, set for a late 2025 launch, which will feature a groundbreaking 3D printed metal midframe. This innovation, made possible by Bright Laser Technologies (BLT), could mark the beginning of a massive shift in smartphone manufacturing. So, what makes 3D printed midframes so special? For starters, they allow for hollow structures that reduce weight while improving thermal performance, all without compromising structural integrity. This is a game changer for flagship smartphones, where thermal efficiency is critical as processors continue to push the limits of power and performance. Historically, production efficiency has been a major hurdle for 3D printing in smartphones, but as technology advances and costs become more competitive, manufacturers like Xiaomi are willing to invest in its potential. This shift is reminiscent of Apple's adoption of CNC machining for MacBook unibody casings, a process that was once doubted but eventually became an industry standard. Similarly, 3D printing could soon redefine how flagship smartphones are designed, offering lighter, stronger, and better-cooled devices. With Xiaomi leading the charge, it's only a matter of time before other manufacturers follow suit. As we approach the Xiaomi 16 Pro's launch, all eyes will be on how well this 3D printing technology performs in real-world usage. Could this be the start of a new era in smartphone manufacturing? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the future of smartphones is looking brighter than ever. For more updates on the latest tech innovations and what they mean for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with TechVerse.